Hello and welcome everyone. This will be a video about how you can delete duplicates in a list. Now I've created a fairly simple list here, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete the duplicate item. So it'll preserve the first item, but it will delete the second item. So let's highlight those ones which are duplicated in the list. So we'll go conditional formatting, and then we'll go highlight cells, and then we'll choose duplicate values, and then click OK. Yeah, so basically that's a list of all those which are duplicated. So I'll just make these ones a different color so they're not duplicated, and we should see these guys here, so sports, clothing, outdoor, etc. Those ones will not get deleted, like, you know, amongst others. Yeah, but the color coding here and inside of here should remain the same. There won't be any change. Yeah, I mean, I haven't highlighted all of them. It'll just give you an idea. So what we do is we isolate the cells that we want to be deleted. Go to data and then go remove duplicates. Yeah, there's only one column here, so it's guessed right, department, and then we click OK. So we click OK, all good. The duplicates go, and we're left with a unique list of items there. All right, so that's in simple terms how you do it. And then on the second sheet, I've got a more complex criteria here. So what we've got is we've got information for our region. We've got what revenue type it is. I mean, it's only revenue, so there's no duplication there. And then we've got some months, but what these months do is they repeat. So there's a repeat here. So basically in July, we've got a repeat there in July, and we've also got some repeats when it comes to August. Yeah, so August appears there. So these guys that I've highlighted, these ones should get deleted, and what we'll do is we'll combine more than one column. So we'll say by region and then by month. Yeah, so if we go through the same process, I'll press Ctrl+Shift+8 to highlight the current region, and then I'll go data, remove duplicates. Now I'll take out type because they're all the same, and then I'll take out these years because these are all unique, well, relatively. And so now we're left with region and month. Yeah, now as I said, these are the duplications. Yeah, so as soon as I click OK, the green shells should disappear, and they do. And you'll see there's 3 blank lines at the bottom for the 3 green cells that we highlighted that's disappeared. All right, everyone, that's how you remove duplicates in an Excel spreadsheet on one or multiple columns. I hope you have a fantastic day.